I like my school very much. In our school, 4 teachers are working. 19 students are studying with me. In our school, all modern technologies like tablet, computer, and smartphone are present. With the help of the technologies, we will lessons very easily. RO, water purifier also have in my school. Morning breakfast and noon meal scheme of running in my school. Apart from the Google Meet exam, also by contacted 2 times by school department education Chennai. Not only in exam students are also in yearly sports day competition, annual day program and other national day function celebrate in my school. Especially this year under the scheme of NSNOP, we get 20 sets of benches, 2 computer, 2 fan, 1 water purifier. Particularly this is a very important year for our school because we are all celebrate 122nd anniversary year in my school. I am proud to be one of the students of my school. Thank you everyone.